he had only about 600,000 saved from his Okada business. He went back to his village in Ondo, used half the money to buy palm oil during harvest, stored it properly, and sold it off in December, doubling his money. Hello. Today, I want to shake a very popular belief in Nigeria that the road to success starts and ends in Lagos. Everybody wants to jump back to Lagos, but the truth is this: your village may actually have more opportunities than Lagos. Let me explain. Lagos is full. Every street is a hustle. Every job is taken, and every corner has one new shop selling the exact same thing. Even if you find work, by the time you pay rent, pay transport, and buy food, what is left? You're working hard but going nowhere fast. Meanwhile, in your village, land is cheap or even free. There is less competition, and most importantly, raw resources are everywhere. Think about it. Every bag of rice, every melon seed, every tuber of cassava, yam, every bottle of palm oil that feeds Lagos comes from someone's village. That somewhere is where the real wealth begins. So while Lagos people are shouting, no fuel, no light, no water, your village has space, peace, and raw materials waiting to be turned into money. This particular video is inspired by the story of one of my followers, a young man who left Lagos in 2021 after years of struggling. He's a graduate, by the way. He had only about 600,000 saved from his Okada business. He went back to his village in Ondo, used half the money to buy palm oil during harvest, stored it properly, and sold it off in December, doubling his money. The following year, he expanded and employed 2 people who helped him transport palm oil kegs to supply to Lagos on a weekly basis, while still maintaining and growing his palm oil storage business. Now he told me he is thinking of slowly starting an oil palm farm. No landlord wahala, no waking up at 3 a.m. to start work and getting back home at 11 p.m. after work. Just calm progress. He told me something powerful. Bash, I stopped chasing the noise and started chasing the need. That's the difference. Now, let me say something that might offend a few people. The problem is not that Nigeria has no opportunity. The problem is that we have trained ourselves to only recognize opportunity when it comes with fine buildings, air conditioning, and traffic. We don't see value in our own soil. People travel from Europe and Asia to buy things growing freely in our backyard. Foreigners see value where we see local, and that's why they keep winning. The real wealth in Nigeria is not in the noise of the city. It's in the quiet of production. If you understand trade, logistics, or even basic processing, your village is a gold mine. You can buy farm produce cheaply, clean it, package it, and supply it to towns. You can set up a small grinding mill, palm oil press, or cassava drying line. You can partner with local farmers to aggregate products for export. It's not theory. It is real business that people are doing. In the village, you build faster because your cost of living is low and your access to resources is very high. That's a combination Lagos cannot offer you. So instead of saying there's nothing in my village, start asking, what do people in Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt eat or use every day that my village produces? When you answer that question, you will stop chasing opportunity. You will start creating it. And let me say this clearly. I'm not saying you should abandon Lagos if that's where your life is. But if you are struggling, frustrated, and tired of the traffic, remember this: the next millionaire in Nigeria might not come from Lekki. He might come from Lafia, Doma, or any other small town known for its agriculture produce. So let's think deeply. Stop following the crowd. Your village may look quiet, but inside that quiet is opportunity shouting your name. If this message spoke to you, please like, share, and subscribe to Bashwan Talks. And if you're serious about agriculture and trade, join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description below. There, we talk about real business, no hype, just results. For beginners, you can also grab my ebooks on starting a scalable agriculture business. The link is in the description as well. See you in the next one. Goodbye.